guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be preparing two dishes. They are coming from this cookbook, Gordon's Great Escape Southeast Asia. So that's Gordon Ramsay, I'm sure you all know it. And I'm going to be preparing chicken satay with peanut sauce, as well as some orange ginger caramelized chicken wings. So this video is also part of a collab hosted by Tamara from Southern Wife Everyday Life, and I will have her channel linked down below, as well as the playlist for this collaboration. So make sure you check out both once you are finished watching my video. So for the chicken satay, the first thing I'm going to be doing is creating a marinade. And for the marinade, you will need about 1.5 pounds of chicken thighs, so about 500 grams. And then you will need 3 shallots. I have a little bit more. I have about 800 grams, so I'm just adding a bit more, but I will have the cookbook linked down below. And so you will need some shallots, garlic. Then you need a knob of galangal, and I couldn't find any at the stores, and I googled it, and the substitution can be ginger, so I'm using ginger with some lemon juice. And then I also have a knob of turmeric, or you can do a teaspoon of ground turmeric. And then for my spices, I need some ground coriander, which I will ground it up in my mortar. And then you will need some cumin, sea salt, palm sugar or dark brown sugar, and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. And then you're gonna need some fish sauce as well. Half a chili, so I am using these. And about 4 teaspoons of peanut oil, and this is the one I'm using. So I'm going to get started in grounding up my coriander and cutting up my chicken. So I'm going to put the chicken directly into the Ziploc bag, because that's where I'm going to keep it for marinating. And I'm cutting it into thin strips. You want a little bit of fat, but not too much on it. I'm not sure if I mentioned, but I'm adding lemongrass, and I had cut off the white part and chopped it up, but I'm still gonna put it into the food processor. So I'm going to add my ingredients. I will grind together shallots, garlic, ginger, lemongrass, turmeric, and the remaining spices. And then I'm going to make it until it's kind of like a rough paste. So it is about a rough paste. Now I'm going to add some red chilies and the fish sauce and mix it up again. Just to show you what it looks like. I'm going to add it to my chicken, and put it in a fridge to marinate for a little bit, or you can do this for overnight. So for the chicken, I'm using my raclette and I'm putting the chicken on the skewers that I had pre-soaked for about half an hour. I'm just going in and out with the chicken. You can do this on a barbecue. It is -30 outside, so I am not barbecuing. So I'm going to be making some peanut sauce, and it's called Malaysian peanut sauce to go with the sauteed chicken. And you will need, so I have here coconut cream. So not milk, it's a cream. As you can see, it doesn't go anywhere. It's very thick. Some shallots. Now I ran out of shallots because of all the shallots that I was using, so I'm just using half an onion, some garlic, some red chili peppers, ginger, tamarind paste, oops, olive oil, which I'm going to add to my pot, and some sweet soy sauce, as well as a little bit of water. So I'm going to be adding my shallots, then my garlic, and I'm going to add my peppers and my ginger. Forgot to mention, you also have to use some peanut butter, obviously, for a peanut sauce. So my onions have softened, so I'm going to add some peanut butter now. And I'm using natural peanut butter. So now I'm going to add my tamarind paste and some soy sauce, about a teaspoon. And now I'm going to add coconut cream. and water. Ooh, the peppers are strong. I'm going to cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes until the peanut butter has been incorporated into the satay sauce. And I'm going to simmer it on low for around 1 to 2 minutes. So I'm going to let it simmer now. So here are the skewers all done, and they tasted absolutely delicious dipped into that peanut sauce. So next I'm going to be making the orange and ginger caramelized chicken wings, and for that you will need some oil for cooking, vegetable, olive oil or peanut, it doesn't matter. Then you're going to need some more shallots, and then garlic, which I already sliced up, and then lemongrass, which is right here, ginger, and it's supposed to be julienne. I think I got it as close to julienne as possible. And then I'm going to need some juice and zest from the oranges, some sugar. I am using monk fruit, water, fish sauce, and chicken wings, which I just washed, and they're just draining the water out of them. So first thing I'm gonna do is everything's pretty much ready except the oranges and the ginger. I'm just going to clean my ginger, and for this recipe I'm using the green part. This is lemongrass, not ginger, sorry. So these are clean, and I am going to bash them using my meat tenderizer. I'm going to cut them so they fit into my pot.
Have them all
for the oranges, I'm gonna wash them. I'm going to get the zest from them first. Going to be preheating the oil, and then I'm going to add all of my ingredients. So I think it's just about ready. Now I'm going to add my liquid, so that means orange juice, water, fish sauce, and sugar, or in my case monk fruit. And I'm going to cook this until the sugar dissolves. Once the sugar has dissolved, I'm just going to cook it until it thickens up a little bit. So the sauce is done. The liquid has reduced. So I'm going to start on my chicken wings now. I've preheated the oven to 375. I have my butter pan to use. I'm just going to add a little bit of oil to it. I'm going to use my peanut oil for the chicken wings. And I'm just going to sear the chicken wings for about 3 minutes aside. So I didn't split my chicken wings, I just cut off the tips. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. So for the chicken wings are now seared, and I'm going to add some sauce. I have actually 2 pans going, so I'm not gonna pour all the sauce in at once, but I'm going to pour some of it over the wings. Make sure that they're all mixed up. Now they're gonna go in the preheated oven and cook for about 45, probably to about an hour. And I'm going to be basting them throughout the cooking. Here they are all done. They tasted pretty good. They did require a lot of work to make, but they tasted pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed these 2 recipes. I did end up pairing them with some ramen noodle on a side and a salad. And I would like to thank Tamara for hosting this collab. I will have the playlist link down below, so make sure you go on and check out all the other recipes and channels participating, and I will have the cookbook link down below as well. And if this is your first time stopping by, I would love it if you considered subscribing, press the notification bell for more recipes. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.